In this short webinar, I'm going to talk you through how to file your VAT return through your Xero accounting software. Hi, my name's Lorna and I'm the Business Support Manager here at the Corby office of Moore Stephens, East Midlands. From the 1st of April 2019, VAT registered businesses over the VAT threshold, which is currently £85,000, will have to file their VAT returns through computerised software. If you would like to know more about making tax digital and how this might affect you, please see our separate webinar by Tim Woodgate. A link to this is below. Before you can file your VAT return through your Xero software, there are a few points to note. First of all, you'll have to be registered to file online with HMRC, as obtained a Government Gateway user ID and select the password. You can do this at HMRC's website. Only quarterly and monthly VAT returns can be filed through Xero at present. If you are using the annual VAT return scheme, these must be filed through the Government Gateway website. Please check with your Xero advisor for more details. You also need to have the advisor or standard with reports option selected to file your VAT return. And you must also ensure that your VAT return number is entered into Xero. Let's jump into the software and I'll show you how to do this. From the settings menu at the top, hit Settings and then General Settings. Under Financial Settings, you will find your VAT scheme details, your VAT period and also your VAT number. Once entered, just select Save. Now to file your VAT return. From the top menu, select Reports and then VAT return. Enter your quarter return date and select Update. Ensure you have the Include VAT Late Claims box ticked. This makes sure that any late purchase invoices or expenses are included and picked up on your next VAT return. Your VAT figures will be displayed in the report below. Review the figures in each box, but if you'd like to see a detailed breakdown, select Wide View at the top and then View Audit Report. This shows you a breakdown of your VAT return, and you can click onto any link to drill down into the invoice details. Once you are ready to submit your return, select the File VAT Now button at the bottom of the page. And then click Publish. If you're using the flat rate VAT scheme and have a flat rate adjustment account set up in the chart of accounts, Xero will post a journal for this amount when you publish the return. Your VAT return will now be included on the Filed with HMRC tab, and you can view the return in the Audit Report Publish section at any time. I hope you found this useful. For more information about making tax digital, visit www.moorestephens.co.uk. Thanks for watching.